All right, guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in. Well, let's go ahead and talk about Pancake Swap. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys have not already subscribed, guys, subscribe to the channel. It's free. I mean, why not? By the end of this video, if I don't convince you to subscribe or like the video, watch another one. Maybe I'll convince you that way. I'm just kidding. Who cares? Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and teach you guys about Pancake Swap, how to provide liquidity, earn some interest, and well, let's just give you a general overview of it. I'll make a separate video on how to provide liquidity and what it's like. Well, let's go into Pancake Swap. So it's really cool. So first off, this is on the Binance Smart Chain. So guys, keep that in mind. This is not on Ethereum, which is a good thing actually. The fees are like crazy nothing. So it's awesome. So you can actually exchange tokens. So if you want to exchange like BUSD or whatever to different tokens, this is a way you can do it decentralized. So it's awesome. Everyone's talking about different protocols shutting down. Say for example, what was a recent one that shut down? I'm drawing a blank. Oh yeah, Robinhood. I wasn't drawing a blank as a joke, guys. Robinhood, Coinbase, Voyager was one that shut down too. So it's kind of like, geez, man, can't find anyone good. So there's different things you can do. You can exchange tokens. We saw that. You can provide liquidity, or you can participate in the bridge. This isn't part of it. This is on Binance. So this is how you can change assets to separate assets. So that's just so you guys can keep that in mind. Here's the different farms you guys can provide liquidity in or earn interest. But keep in mind, guys, impermanent loss still pertains to this. So like this one's 200% or 208%, 208%. So guys, again, keep in mind impermanent loss. It is a big factor. If you guys don't know what it is, watch one of my videos about it. Basically how these pools work is it always keeps your two tokens at a 50-50 ratio. So say Ethereum explodes and your other token sits stagnant, well, by the time you withdraw liquidity and unstake your tokens, you're going to be sitting there with, well, 50% less Ethereum if it doubles in price. So keep that in mind. They also, you can trade in cake or keep your collection, so you can actually swap it for some of these different NFTs. So they got a little NFT marketplace too. Really cool. They're trying to do a little bit of everything. They're even trying to do initial farm offerings. So they're pretty cool. You guys can even check that out. But Ditto, I really didn't understand that one. But I guess it's to maintain a stable price of $1, where its supply will adapt to changes in demand. So I don't know, never seen that type of stable coin before, but maybe it's taken off, maybe it's doing good. You can see the different protocols in the voting. So they are, this is an inflationary supply, and basically it's just like printing like nuts and ham. So they're printing a lot of tokens every day. It's like 750,000 or something like that. So keep that in mind. Now this is their reasoning for it. There's no hard cap to the cake token making it inflationary. So the reason for that is because they want to provide the best interest so more and more people come on it and use the protocol. That's the reason for it. But over time, they are going to be decreasing that. So keep that in mind. This is for early adopters. And they are implementing burn mechanisms. So big time burn mechanisms. I mean, they just burned like, I don't know, what was it, 350 million? You can actually check out their burn address. So here's their burn address. They have a total of 164 million cake tokens in circulation, but there was 57 million tokens that were burned. So they're burning at a good rate. So that's like right there alone, that's like 33% of the supply. So they are burning at a very good rate. So keep that in mind too. The different things that they burn, well, you check out the cake tokenomics and they'll tell you exactly what they'll burn it for. But 100% of the donations for the lottery tickets, they will burn. Let me show you guys the lottery tickets on the Pancake Swap main page. So the lottery, you guys can participate in this, whatever. I don't care to do this junk. I don't do it. But anyways, here's the cake token. So the emission rate is 40, well, the 40 cakes and emission per day is 1.2 million. And then obviously this is how many that's burned. So it's 750,000, not 750 million. I'm pretty sure I said 750,000, but you know how it is. So 60% to farmers, 40% to syrup pools. So you guys can see the rewards each day. And 9.09% harvested from farms is sent to the dev address, then burned. So they're burning tokens, and then 10% of the cake spent on lottery tickets is burned, and 100% of the cake raised in IFOs is burned. So they're burning this cake like crazy. I don't know why they picked Pancake Swap as the name, but hey, it's one of the food ones, and they're actually doing some really. Here's a little bit about the initial farm offering. You'll need the cake/BNB LP tokens to participate. Cake tokens equaling to half of the total funds raised will be burned
forever.
So this is how you participate in the IFO, or initial farm offering. You buy cake and BNB tokens, get cake LP tokens by adding liquidity. When its sale is live, you commit your cake tokens. After the sale, claim your IFO tokens you bought. Your unspent funds will also be sent back to you. And done. In case there's overflow, you unstake your remaining cake, and so on. So you guys can read more about this. We're kind of just going over it a bit, but they are planning on burning even more and more tokens. This is how you can yield farm. So this is really cool. So when you stake cake, you earn interest on your cake. So on one pool, you can provide the liquidity and get the LP tokens, and then you can withdraw the cake, deposit the cake, earn interest on the cake, while the LPs earn an interest. So it's awesome. So you can like earn interest on the cake, or interest on your interest cake. So cake, right? And then the fees are like nothing, which is crazy. Because normally, like with Ethereum, the fees are crazy, and it's just like, wow, man, I don't know what to do. So yeah, that's a little bit about Pancake Swap. Nothing like crazy, but a big thing to remember, guys, this is on the Binance Chain. So if you guys have like MetaMask and you guys are trying to connect with it, you watch my video on how to add a Binance Chain wallet to your MetaMask. I really recommend using the Binance Chain for this, or the Binance Chain wallet. A little bit easier, but hey, you guys do what you want. It's your junk. See you guys with a wisdom one-liner, Proverbs chapter 28 verses 4. Those who forsake instruction praise the wicked, but those who heed it resist them. Guys, you got 2 ears, 1 mouth. Take it in. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. If you guys are new to cryptocurrency, don't know where to get started, don't know what to invest in, well, participate in the triple threat. The first thing, set up a Celsius account. This is for your savings. This is where you're going to store your cryptocurrency, and you can earn interest. It can be up to 5%, 6%, 10%, and they even have some as high as 17%. Here's a referral link. Use this referral link in order to get 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Part 2 of the triple threat is to get a crypto.com. Crypto.com account is one of the best places, especially for a beginner, to buy cryptocurrencies, or smaller altcoins. So now you have a savings account. Now you need to get a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to buy those smaller altcoins, like your Engine coin, your Raven coin, just like smaller alts, so you guys can participate in those big plays. My referral code is down here. If you use this, you'll get 25 bucks free. And the next one is Voyager. Voyager is awesome. There's a list of different cryptocurrencies you can use. What I like about Voyager in particular is you can actually make your next level up in buying cryptocurrencies. You can actually buy Bitcoin with a limit order. So you just hit buy Bitcoin, hit limit, and you type in how much you want. Boom, you're off to the races. So you don't have to watch it and make sure it's a good buy-in. Here's a referral code you guys can use to get some free cryptocurrency. This will allow you to get $25 for free. Can't beat free. And then obviously this is just a fun one, so you can get free cryptocurrency, is going on Lolly. You get a daily stack. All you do is you tap the treasure chest and you get free sats.
and it's literally free. One of the days I literally got 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Look, 101,000 sats. Pretty cool.